Hey guys, you've probably seen this one before. We're gonna start out right here on top of Montezuma Pass and go down to Parker Canyon Lake. I'm gonna try to hit the ghost town of Sunny site. We'll see if we can get up there. There's some indications that it might be on private property, but I'll go there and see if there's any signs or anything saying no trespassing. But we'll try to go up there and show you guys a little ghost town. If not, we'll just continue on to Parker Canyon Lake. Anyway, thanks for watching. into the Huachuca Mountains feels like a promise. Miles of open grassland give way to winding dirt tracks, tall pines, and that quiet high country air that tells you you're heading somewhere forgotten. Every turn feels like you're getting closer to a piece of Arizona history most people never see, the remote ghost town of Sunnyside. But the mountains had a different ending in mind. After climbing deep into the Sunnyside Canyon, past old ranch fences and creek crossings, the road suddenly stops. A locked steel gate stretches across the final approach, marked with fresh private property signs. No access, no exceptions. The ghost town sits just beyond the trees, close enough to feel but out of reach. In this episode, I take you along for the drive, the scenery, the anticipation, and the expected twist at the end. Not every forgotten place is open to explore, and sometimes the journey tells the story better than the destination ever could. If you enjoy cinematic overlanding, hidden corners of Arizona, and the real-world moments that don't always go as planned, you're in the right place. The road to Sunnyside is still worth the ride. Sitting high in the rolling foothills of the Huachuca Mountains, Parker Canyon Lake is one of those rare Arizona places where the desert steps back and the cool mountain air takes over. The water stretches out like a quiet blue mirror, ringed by tall pines, open grassland, and the soft rise of distant ridgelines. It feels remote, peaceful, and a little wild. The kind of lake you stumble onto after miles of empty road and wonder how it stayed off the map. The shoreline is a mix of rocky coves, shaded pockets, and wide open views where the wind moves across the water in silver lines. Ospreys dive, trout break the surface, and the whole place carries that calm, high country energy that makes you slow down even without thinking about it. Early mornings bring glassy water and cold air drifting off the lake. Evening turns the hills gold and pulls long shadows across the shoreline. Parker Canyon Lake isn't flashy, it's simple, quiet, and honest. A mountain reservoir tucked against the borderlands, surrounded by miles of open country, and the kind of silence you only get from far from town. Whether you're hiking the trail around the water, paddling into the wind, or just watching the light change across the hills, it's one of the southern Arizona's most underrated escapes. We made it to the lake. Looks like there's an $8 a day use fee here now. And I think it's like $20 to camp. There's some decent campgrounds here, but this is pretty nice. Here, I'll give you guys a look at it. There's a few boats out there with fishing. Not bad. They got a store here and a boat dock. You can rent boats and stuff here. But it's a neat little area. Look at all the ducks. I don't know if you can see them that close up. Let's see if I can bring it in. Oh, nope. Don't think I can zoom in. Let's go right down here and see. I think they stock this pond pretty regular, or lake pretty regularly. So some decent fishing here, I guess. I've never been able to, I fished here a couple times. Haven't been able to catch anything, but it's pretty good overall. Alright guys, I guess this is going to be it for me today. We just did a quick run over here to show you guys this lake area and some other stuff. We went down, tried to go down to the ghost town, but like they were saying, it's private land, so we couldn't go any further. I'll get you some more video of other stuff later on. But thanks for watching another episode of Overland Reaches. I really appreciate everyone watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button and like my videos. I'd really appreciate it.